skills. 4. Listen to the recording about Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex. Decide whether the following statements are true, T, or false, F, according to the speaker.
Known as Halong Bay on land, Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex is famous for its mountains, caves, and archaeological relics. It includes Trang An Eco-Tourist Site, Tam Kok Bik Dong Landscape, and Hoa Lu Ancient Citadel. Visitors come to Trang An to admire its diverse flora and fauna, beautiful caves, and unique pagodas. Archaeological relics have proved that humans in this region date back to about 10,000 to 20,000 years ago. Ancient people took advantage of the rich land, settled down in the area, and developed their culture. Kings from the Dinh, Lê, and Lý dynasties set up the capital in Hoa Lu Ancient Citadel from 968 to 1009. After King Lý Tai To moved the capital from Hoa Lu to Hanoi in 1010, the citadel remained known as the ancient capital of Vietnam. Having unique natural and cultural values, Trang An Scenic Landscape Complex deserves its place on the UNESCO's World Heritage List.